So the benefits of a data mesh are really broad. Obviously, it starts with data analysts and data scientists getting access to that data, but over time, business benefits from that accelerated pace of discovery and development. IT operations gets to simplify and rationalize. Some of the tools involved in a data mesh, especially a tool like Starburst, that's about data access, can be used to manage large-scale migrations or real-time reporting or a number of other cases, not just that discoverability data mesh case, in a way that's really consistent, organized, and well-governed. And so IT operations gets really excited about the simplification of their data management plan. And of course, like I said, InfoSec gets really excited as well. So the benefits kind of cascade through the organization. You get that increased velocity of analytics development with that lower barrier to good operations and good security. So you can see there are a number of reasons why you would want to. We really focus on that data exploration case. And when we're talking to our customers, it's usually a data science team that says, hey, we need more access to our data in a well-governed format. We need to link that into a well-managed data store or discoverability store, like a data catalog. We're going to wrap some governance around that. And they really become the tip of the spear. But what ends up happening is that the solutions that we build for the data science groups and the analyst groups use best practices, cloud scalability, all of the security implementations that you could possibly need. And they become the prototype for enterprise organizations. And in fact, most of the enterprise architecture teams that we've met in our customers, we go and we do these data mesh engagements for our data science customers. And then about 6 months later, the enterprise team comes to us and say, that's the architecture we just finished defining after a 3-year roadmap exercise. We'd like to build that. And we're very proud to be able to just turn around and say, we just finished it. Why don't we tweak a couple of knobs, change the scalability parameters on some of these things. And now you can start using this for a broader enterprise engagement, because it does rely on that data lake, data warehouse, operational data store within the crown. These are kind of the crown jewels of a data mesh, but it's so much more. It takes all of that dark data, it takes all of that data access, and it turns it into a registration in a data mesh exercise instead of an engineering, replication, and security exercise, which accelerates that time, but also simplifies that delivery. It lowers the operational overhead. It's kind of a win-win-win. And when we think about why we're doing data meshes now, it's really about the fact that the tools are ready. Tools like Starburst are built on open source principles. They have scalability in a backplane, either through clusters or we prefer Kubernetes. They're cloud ready. They're getting to the point where they're cloud native. They're turnkey. This is the time where the tooling is finally caught up with the demand. We've known that data warehouses and data lakes are impaired for 20, 30 years. We know that governance has been a challenge for 30 years. We haven't been able to rationalize that value equation until we could take that overhead and put it after the value. And with the data mesh, we can really start to do that.